Now we come to comparison of rational numbers. How will we compare if two rational numbers are given? So in the first case, when one rational number is positive and other is negative. So it is very easy. Obviously the rational number which is positive will be bigger or greater than the rational number which has negative value. Clear? So this is the first case. Now let's come in the second case. When both the rational numbers are positive, what we have to do? We have to first find out the denominator. Suppose for example, I am taking 4 by 5 and 5 by 7. These two numbers I have to compare and see which rational number is greater. And see, the denominators are also different. If the denominator was same, then I could have told the rational number with a greater numerator will be the greater rational number. But here, since the denominators are different, what we have to do? We have to find out the LCM of this. Now the LCM of this, if you remember, it will be, so 5 into 7, it will be how much? 35. So else now, we know the denominator we have to get is 35. So 4 by 5 we will be converting into 35. Now 5, how much is 35? 7s are. Then I have to multiply here also with 7, which I will get is 28 by 35. So this I have got. Now which is the second fraction? This is 5 by 7. 5 by 7. So this will be how much? Again 7 into 5 is 35. Here also 5. So I will get 25 by 35. Isn't it? So now the two fractions which I have got is instead of 4 by 5 I can write 28 by 35. And instead of 5 by 7 I can write 25 by 35. And if I make a block here and if I tell which is bigger, so obviously this is bigger than this one. Okay. So now I hope you've understood how to find out. Either you can write this way or you can simply write here. If the box is made here, you can make it this way. Sorry, here, this way. Clear? This is your answer. So now you see, if the denominators are different and if both the rational numbers are positive, what we have to do? We have to find out the LCM. Then we make the denominator same. So I have made the denominator same, and then compare the numerator. The numerator with a bigger value will be the greater rational, will have the greater rational number. So now let's come to the case number 3. So this was case number 2, now case number 3. When both the rational numbers are negative, what will happen when both the rational numbers are negative? Where we have to, then it's the same. First and foremost, what we have to do is we have to change into the express each rational number with positive denominator. Now suppose let's come to this example. Minus 3 by minus 12 and 1 by minus 3. Now this they have told to compare this and tell which is greater. So the first and foremost thing what we have to do, okay, just a second. They have made it wrong. If this was minus, this was minus, it will cancel and it will be 3 by 12. So it's not like that. It is 3 by plus 12. Okay. So now I'm writing it down. You'll understand this better. 3 by 12 minus 3 by 12. We have got to compare this with the value 1 by minus 3. Okay. This you have to compare. So how will you compare? I told you have to find out. First you have to make this into a what you have to do? You have to change it into a positive denominator. To change it into a positive denominator, what you will do is you will convert this into a positive denominator. How? Let this be minus 3 by 12 and this 1 by minus 3 we will multiply by minus 1 by minus 1. It will get minus 1 by minus into minus plus minus 1 by 3. So now what we have to compare is minus 1 by 3. Now you see, we have got both the denominators in the positive value. Now let's find out the LCM. So LCM 3 and 12, 3, 1, 4. So the LCM of 3 into 4 is 12. So LCM is 12. So you already have this number is 3 minus 12, and only you have to convert this number. This number. So minus 1 by 3 into 4. 4 3s are 12. So this, you will get minus 4 by 12. Now you compare it. Minus 3 by 12 and minus 4 by 12. Now I hope you remember minus 3 is a bigger number and minus 4 is a smaller number. Remember, since it's minus, otherwise if both were plus, then 3 would be the smaller and 4 would be the greater number. But minus 3 is a greater number than minus 4, so your answer will be this. So it's very simple. The main steps are, first you convert if you have a negative denominator, convert it into a positive denominator, then find out the LCM. After finding out the LCM, make both the denominators, or even if you have 3 rational numbers, there is no problem. Find the LCM of all the 3 numbers, rational numbers, means the LCM of the denominators. Then you make all the denominators same, and then you compare the numerators. The numerator with a greater value will be the greater one. Clear? So this was how you can compare your rational numbers. Now we have to come to another thing, is that rational numbers between 2 rational numbers. Now we say, suppose rational numbers between 2 rational numbers means how can you insert 2 rational numbers between just a second, hold on. Yes, how can you insert any number of rational number between 2 rational numbers? Now it is possible to insert any number of rational number which you want to insert between any given 2 rational numbers. Now insert between 2 rational number is, what I mean to say is, just suppose you have a number, let's think of a number 1 by 6 and 5 by 6, and now you want to put in more rational numbers inside it. Inserting means putting in. Okay, so how will you put in? So see, the denominators are same. Everywhere, whenever you want to put in any rational number or anything, you have to make the denominator same, otherwise it will not be possible for you. So 1 by 6, then 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6. So we can put in and see. One is smaller than 2, then this is your answer. So you can put, if suppose, now you will ask, this we have put only 3 rational, we have added only 3 rational number. What if we want to add more rational number? Okay, that can also be done. Okay, this is when I told you when the denominators are same. Now first let me explain with the same denominators, then I'll go to if the denominators are different, what to do. Now suppose if you have a number 1 by 3 and 2 by 3, and I have told you to add in between 7 rational numbers, how will you find out? Isn't it? You are saying, you are seeing here, you are looking at it, that is 1 and 2, and I am telling you to insert 7 rational numbers. So how is it possible? Now there is a way. See, I have told you to add how many rational numbers? 7. So what you do is, you have to multiply the denominator and the numerator with 7 plus 1, that is 8. Means what you have to do is 1 into 8 and 3 into 8. You will get 8 by how much? It is 26. No, I think just a second. Okay, it will be 8 by 24. I've written 26. So 8 by 24. Okay, 8 3 8s are 24. Now what is the next number? You have got 2 and 3. Again you have to multiply with 8. 8 into 8. So you are getting it 16 by 24. So now you see, and I have told you how many numbers to insert? 7 rational numbers to insert. So what are the numbers you have got? You have got 8 by 24 and 16 by 24. So keep on adding. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and the last number you have is 16 by 24. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have added 7 rational numbers. Okay, so the formula for this is, how I got this 16? The formula for this is to obtain n rational number between two rational numbers having the same denominator. We multiply both the numerator and the denominator of each rational number by n plus 1. That's why I multiplied. I had told you to insert 7 rational number. So I added 7 plus 1. Now if I had told you, suppose if I had told you to insert 8 rational number, then what you have done, you have to add 8 plus 1. Means whatever number of rational number is told to insert, add 1 to it and then multiply that number with numerator and denominator with the given 2 rational number. Any 2 rational they give you, multiply with that, you will get the denominator same. Obviously the denominator are already same, so when you multiply you will get the denominator same and keep on inserting it. Clear? I hope it's clear because it's very easy. Now we come to when the denominators are different. What will happen? Suppose 1 by 2 and 1 by 7. So these two are the numbers, and they have told to insert 4 rational number. Okay. Now what to do? Here first and foremost what you have to do, you have to make the denominator same. So the denominator will be 14. 2 into 7, if you take out the LCM, it will be 2 into 7, it will be 14. So 1 by 2 into 7, you get into 7, you get 7 by 14, and 1 by 7 into 2 you get 2 by 14. So these two, now you have made the denominators same. How many rational number they have told you? They have told you 4. Now this is very easy. See, 2 by 14 is the rational number. You have got the lowest one. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4. I have added up. So the main thing is you have to make the rational numbers, denominators equal. Until and unless you make the denominators equal, you won't be able to insert in the any number of other rational numbers in between. So this was how you have to find out the rational numbers. Now you see, I'll show you an example given in your book. It is, they have told for insert 5 rational numbers and represent them on a number line in each of the following. Now they have told to insert how many rational numbers? 5 in between 1 and minus 1 and 0. So first let's convert minus 1 and 0 into rational number with the denominator 6. Why 6? Because I told you whatever number of rational number you have to add 1 to it. So 5 they have told. Now you add 1 to it, you get 6. So minus 1 means minus 6 by minus 6. If you cancel it, you will get minus 1. And 0 by 6 will give you 0. So the 5 rational number between minus 6 by 6 and 0 by 6 are minus 6 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, 0 by 6, and that is equal to 0. Now you can represent it. Clear? So this is how you do it. So I have explained till here. You complete exercise 14.4.1.